are back in the Bronx today, and let's take a look at some affordable Riverdale luxury. We are in a building on the corner of West 231st and Riverdale Avenue. Walking into the living room area. This building was built brand new from the ground up about 5 years ago. Beautiful street views. Living room has a view overlooking a private shared garden for the building. Look at the moldings in this apartment. That's the front door we just entered. You have a virtual doorman here. Video intercom to the front door. You have a closet, very large floor to ceiling walk-in closet, separating the living room from the kitchen. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Granite countertops, dishwasher, more than abundant counter cabinet preparation space, built-in microwave, ice dispensing double paneled fridge. Let's go take a look at the bedroom that can easily fit a queen. This is your queen size bedroom, can easily fit a queen with 2 nightstands. Again, you have another view from the bedroom of that shared garden. Turn around and we're going to reveal some really enormous closet space. Floor to ceiling. And we're going to show you an enormous bathroom. As you can see, they paid a lot of attention to detail. Look at the vanity. Sliding glass doors on the full bathtub shower. And double stacked washer and dryer. Let you take a look at how large this bathroom really is. Let's retrace our steps. We're going to walk by this beautiful kitchen again. Pass by a walk-in closet as you come in the entryway. Take a look at this enormous living room. And we'll take another peek at this queen-size bedroom. This is a very well-managed and maintained elevator building in Riverdale. Come on down, take a look. I think you might be happy to spend some time here. Thanks for watching.